exercise. 3, 2, 1, go!
Stand with your right leg behind you and your left arm raised overhead. Keep your right arm at your side. Now step with your right leg forward and raise your leg, bending your knee. At the same time, lower your left arm down and bring the elbow toward the right knee. Tap them together and return to the starting position. Repeat.
20 seconds. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, rest.
Push past all the pain that you're going through. It won't last if you move how you want to move. Get lost in the world.
Next exercise. 3, 2, 1, go!
Stand in a narrow stance with your arms raised at your sides and elbows bent at a 90-degree angle. Your fingers should point up. Now lift your left knee to hip level and turn with your upper body to the left. Step down and turn to the right and lift your right knee. Return to the starting position and repeat. Alternate.
20 seconds.
If you got dreams that you're chasing, the fear in your life, stand up and face it. Ain't nobody coming to help.
10 seconds.
I know it might seem hard, it might seem tough, it may sound rough, but this state of mind will get you through a lot of stuff.
3, 2, 1, rest.
But on the other side came a soldier, much bolder, standing broad shoulders. Step aside and give me the controller. I came here to win, I don't lose, high roller. I wanna be the best in the game, yeah, I came to play and invest, stay colder.
Next exercise. 3, 2, 1, go!
Stand in a wide stance with your arms raised in front of your chest and palms pressed together. Now turn to the left, moving both arms to the side. Return to the center and then turn to the left, moving your arms to the left. Return to the original position and repeat.
Round two, I gotta screw loose. No matter how I do feel, I still gotta prove that I'm better. I never say never, I work all alone, I don't work together. I got big moves and they coming soon.
20 seconds.
Everything is fine-tuned, got no excuse. Coming back like new anytime I move. Call it resurrection, I'm obsessing. Got a new obsession, so obsessive. Strive for perfection.
10 seconds.
Never get it. I like to be pushed to my limits. I work till I finish. I hurt till I'm winning, till the thirst starts again. It takes me back to beginning.
3, 2, 1, rest.
I'm motivated, but I never get worried. I have faith I can win any journey. I just have to put my head down and keep working. I love conquest, I love progress. I feel so blessed that I get to reinvest all my time into doing what I love. It took a long time, but now my work is my drug. Each day I get to create something new that I used to
Last exercise.
fight for success and to get some respect.
3, 2, 1, go.
Stand hip distance apart with your arms at your sides. Now jump with both legs at the time to the left, twisting your body to the left and bring your arms across your chest to the right side. Next, jump to the right and bring your arms across your body to the left. Make sure you gently land your feet. Repeat the movement.
Twenty seconds. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Workout complete. Well done.